Simon says, get the fuck up, throw your hands in the sky. Losers in the back, sipping yak, y'all, what's up? Girls, rub on your titties. Yeah. You fuck it, I said it, rub on your titties. New York City, pretty committee, pity the fool that act shitty in the midst of the calm, the witty.
Yo, shut the fuck up. Luck says shut the fuck up. Bitches in the back like crack getting cut up. I speak on behalf of them bros you call stuck up. Act like a man to get cock smack the fuck up. Pull a truck up. Luck, you know the name. Assed out in the bleachers, stay shitting on the game. I suppose what you spitting is flames. Cowards, knew your crew is vaginal. I can smell the gush powder. Summer's Eve, I drop degrees chill. Come 4x4, lose one like Drew Hill. Stay fly till you get air sick. Now that's ill. Two choices, either squeeze or pill. Now that's real.
What the fuck's going on here? Just a minute now, hold up. Sinister the win at the time, I diminish and finish and roll up. But I'm in a cinematography state of mind. My rap flip, say the rhyme. Shit, I spectacular run, hit, spit, bitches vernacular. Miraculous rhyme flow, backtrack to the immaculate. But knock a blast, nigga, that's fast, I'll box ya. Ladies rub your tatas, bras, titties and knockers on the floor. Fellas, pull your cock out on the verge, disperse words for third round knockout. I bust a rhyme to dust frustrated rappers, thus crush competition, lights out like the clapper, the mic gripper. Whip a nigga like a slave, separated from his fam, he don't know how to behave now. Drag his ass back, done for his loot. Figure me to give a nigga 21 gun salute. That's 7 shots for Tupac, 7 for Biggie Small, 7 for freaky tie up in your neighborhood mall. How's that? That action packed rap to maintain. Pharaoh fucking March, ain't a damn thing changed.
Yo, get the fuck up. Funk Dr. Spot said get the fuck up. I got a bitch named Nina and I tuck her. I leave a nigga hanging like your mom's muffler. Snuff her, then my boys follow up. Respect like the fines, you see the collar up. I spit out a bullet, load the barrel up. I kamikaze your town off an Arab bus. Carrot cut, yeah, mommy, pull over. I've been your pussy like for years, I knew yoga. I'm too smoked up, I can't remember me. Or Tennessee, that's why I carry mini-me. I need 50 feet when my performance starts. I push an armored car with Lauren hearts. 19 inches, I'm not on the charts. Not turning dark off a warning shot. Drive off and pop 6 in your hood.
Fuck the limelight, we rhyme tight, plus snacks is good.
Yeah, my nigga, one rhyme me a fold over. I'm hot-headed cause I walk with cold shoulders. Yeah,
get the fuck up. Simon says get the fuck up. Throw your hands in the sky.
Jersey in the back, jacket cars, now what's up? Girls, rub on your titties. That's right, I said it, rub on your titties. Brick City, gritty committee, pity the fool that act shitty in the midst of the calm, the witty.
Yeah, get the fuck up. Yeah, I said it, get the fuck up. Walk through Shallon after dark, you get stuck up. Seek and destroy, baddest boy when I'm puffed up. You know my name in Pharaoh Munch, why we came, what? We off the chain, plus we plotting on a chain, what? Know your role, by the way, tuck your go. And you and your mic and he's on down the road. Assholes are like opinions, everybody got to have one. Shooting in the sky, trying to blast some. 0 to 60 in a second, pull a fast one. 50 cent flash and they hate us with a passion. Mashing, still fresh in 3-day-old fashion. Your platinum stripes, together we be clashing. This a tunnel banger, Wu-Tang, death penalty, the gas chamber. This gon' hurt me more than it hurts you. Slap you like the doctor the day your mama birthed you. Just so you can feel me the same way I'ma feel this world when it kill me. Even if time stands still, I'ma still be underground and filthy. Gotta have a way like the Milky. Innocent until I'm proven guilty. Never got caught in the game of tag. Mama never kept her boyfriend with kids this bad. No justice, way the ruckus. Underground till we underground. But y'all first, motherfuckers.
My thugs throw up your set. Shorties bubble your breasts. Get the fuck up. Out of that jets, I palm tips. You herbs get flipped like Jeeps on mountain cliffs. I rip through your chest, hollow point talent tips. Double S, double the threat, double your bet. Double up on that cash if you decide to invest. You sound like Big, you sound like Jake, you sound like D. And I bet when I go plat, you sound like me. Japan so deep, injure your fleet, instant delete. Y'all crabs are weak, frail like a fiend's physique. I stay on the street, stay on the beat, stay with the heat, stay sticking fools like you for the rocks that gleam. So toss that link, dummy, shoulda insured that link. Straight the canal Dollar praise that link, then pawn that link. You froze up. Sadiq says, shut the fuck up. Punk niggas get gun butt up and tied up.
Busta Rhymes is like Hacksaw, Jim Duggan, been thuggin'. Loving the way we flood jewels for nothing. Lay it over, another ambush and take over. Yo, we don't only get money, we cut the coke and cook the shake over. You better guard your head right, especially late at night. I'll find a picture of your autopsy up on the website. Yo, if you ever violate my space, fuck a fat lip, I'll leave you with a fucking fat face, nigga. Busta Rhymes, the handsome, I hold you for ransom and some. Like the ghost of a haunted house, if I ever live in a mansion. The snitch is coming out and you know you showing it. Like when the British civil servants passed secrets to the Soviets. Y'all niggas are seamless blends of seamless trends. They brought about the results of a bunch of seamless ends. Colosso, biggie my nigga Barrow Mancho. The head honchos, getting this money like Leonardo. Enough substance in the roughness. Now watch it come around in an amazing large abundance. Now let me clear the smoke screen, you broke fiend. Live niggas shit that'll rebuild your whole self-esteem. Pledge allegiance to the flag of United Live Niggas of America. Let us control and own the fucking area. While in your whip until you crash your whole truck up. And if you know what's good for you, nigga, you better get the fuck up.